Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video we are going to show you a new update regarding the Ari Wallet testnet. So Ari Wallet testnet, they provided a new features in the app. So here, as you can see, here is the interface of the Ari chain application. So later we know that we have a daily check-in and daily quiz. So now they make it like wider. They introduce a new feature which is called general. So general, it is like a task that you need to come and do it daily, but it has a big reward and it is unlimited. They didn't specify a date that the reward are going to be like ended, or the campaign or the tasks are going to be ended. They didn't make it like clear as the date are going to be like the end. So let's click on general. So as you can see, here is the general. We have Ari chain, we have Discord, we have Telegram channel, and again you have to go to the Twitter X handle. So here it is. So as you can see, I have finished it with the Ari chain visited website, and again I want to come and do a Discord join and Telegram join and Twitter join. So let's start with this one, Discord. So let's click on it. So let's go together. So here it is. We have accepted to their Telegram, to their Discord channel. So here it is. So as you can see, I have to come and verify it later, but for now I didn't go to their channel, like Discord channel, to verify it. So here it is. So let's see when it's going to be loaded and going to be counted. So congratulations to me, I have collected the Discord reward. I have collected the Discord reward. So let's go to the Telegram. So let's click on it. Let's wait it to be loaded. So here is the Telegram channel, as we can see. So we have joined their Telegram channel. So here it is. So as you can see, congratulations to me, I have done with this one again. So I have to come and do this one. So X. So as you can see, I have completed all the tasks, all the necessary tasks that I have I need to do, and come to do it step by step, which is visit Ari chain website, join the Ari chain Discord, join Telegram channel, Ari chain Telegram channel, and again follow X handle for Ari chain. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.